Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DeanOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I will be making a review about this new product launch called Orb. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Orb works. Now as a reminder, the discounted price for this digital product launch is limited time offers, so make sure to pick this up before the price will go up soon. Now to get this discount price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out, and also I'm offering you my free bonuses, and then from here you can actually search for my bonus page here, and then this is where you can retrieve the Orb product by clicking the link down below into this yellow buttons here. So you can go ahead and check out my bonuses first onto my bonus page, and just scroll down and you're gonna see all the bonuses that I'm gonna be giving to you straight away as you press the yellow button here to purchase the Orb product. And so this is where you can check it out. You can click the link down below in this video and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Orb. Now to put this briefly, Orb is actually a software and training modules. Now this will give you traffic. You can get leads and sales on automation with the use of Instagram. Now with the front end purchase of Orb, you can actually get 50 followers and messages a day. And also with the Instagram software, with it provides you with 3 full case studies that you can check out. So which means once you watch the case studies, it's gonna actually help you learn to understand that this method works. And now you can easily get free Instagram traffic with this method, with any offer, with the new ability to not only to follow but to DM direct into users to the Instagram mailbox. And also it includes training modules, as you can see here, on building your own funnels, and you can capture emails with an opt-in page and remarketing your own offers again and again. Now this is how to make a successful long-term online business. And if you wanna check out the case studies here so that you're gonna get convinced that this product actually works, here are the case studies here that you're gonna find in the members area of Orb. Various beta testers actually tested this product, and it does prove that this works. Now I want to talk about the benefits of Orbs. Now you can use this tool with Instagram to grow your audience. You can pretty much follow the people on your same niche that you can reach out to them. And the extension, Chrome extension, actually is where you can install it onto your browser. And what it does is once you install that extension Chrome, then you're gonna have to log into Instagram, and then you can start following all the followers that is relating to your niche, and it automates following everyone to have a whole wide audiences, so you can communicate with them and start offering them something they'd be interested at. So for example, if you're into online marketing niche, then what you need to do is log into Instagram, and then what you need to do is just go to search a popular person. So let's think about what is the popular person out there. So we can do Toby Robbins, for example, and then just type in his name, and then you can actually search for his followers. And then once you've done that, then you can pretty much activate your extension Chrome that provides you inside the members area. Then you just pretty much automate the following instead of you having to click the followers from Toby Robbins. It basically the extension Chrome does it for you, so it automates the process of following whoever is in the same niche that you want to offer this product for your affiliate offers. And also you can actually profit in minutes with this program. So as I mentioned earlier about the case studies, you should go ahead and check out so that you can follow the case studies so that you can start earning money from it. And then also it's all on automation with a brand new method. This is with Instagram, and it's really easy to set up for your campaigns because it's an all-in-one. And then you don't need any autoresponder, you don't need hosting or monthly fees. Once you purchase Orb, it's only a one-time fee, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to pay for extra fees just because you're using this product. It's just one time. Make sure to purchase it during the launch period, which is gonna start on September 8th. And once you've done that, you just purchase it through my link down below in the description of my video, and then from there you can actually get the discount price for the Orb program. Now you can actually create income on demand to make your dream lifestyle of your daily reality for this method. So as long as you're consistent with this, I don't see why it's not gonna work. But potentially if you're consistent with this and you pretty much spend more time on this, then you're more than likely to start earning money this way. And so this is the world's first hyper targeting hot traffic software, and so you should take advantage of this. Just one time offer. It works good. And now on to the members area. Now I'm gonna be showing you what's inside of Orb. So as you can see here, this is the main dashboard of Orb. Now what you need to do next is to make sure to watch the welcome video of Orb. Now this is Bobby. Now he is the creator of this program. Now he's gonna welcome you to this product here. So once you've done that, you can actually watch the welcome video from Jake, also one of the person here who created this product. So both of them did work on to create this product for so many months, and so they perfected it because they want this product to work. Now over here onto the main training is the overview of Orb. Now as you can see here, if you're noticing the pattern, this is a video based training, so which is good. You can pretty much see what they're about to discuss, what the Orb is about. They're going to explain you the overview. Now on to the Orb installation. This is where you can get access to the Orb software. This is what you need to download for the extension Chrome onto your browser. Now over here is a video step-by-step on how to follow everyone on the same niche that you're into. Now here is the Orb messaging. Now again, you're gonna be using the extension Chrome. It's gonna explain to you on how you can send messages to automate the process on that, so you don't have to manually enter each of the person that you're following, but this is gonna automate you the process of sending messages to your followers. Here is the Orb Hyper Targeting. Now he's gonna explain to you how to target your audience onto this video training. Here is where you can get access to the hyper targeting program here. Now here is the 100% commission bump. Now again, it's another video on how you can get a 100% commission bump. Click over here to find out more. This is a Google Doc, so let's click on that. So as you can see here, this is a JV doc that you're gonna have to access. After you watch the video, then you can get access to this case studies. So this is the most important thing. Now if you want to see, or if you're curious that if this program works, now these are case studies that's gonna convince you that this program actually works. Now here is a case study number 2. So you can see here how Orb made $1,859,000 here. So you can pretty much watch the case study here and learn from there. Here is a case study on building your subscribers list. Now, this is not just gonna help you earn money or follow people on Instagram, but this is gonna help you build your subscribers list. Now, if you're wondering what that means, so if you have an autoresponder, that is actually the power of online marketing, is to have your subscribers list. And so if you have a subscribers list, if you have a lot of people collecting emails from them, and if you have about 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers onto your autoresponder, then pretty much the more money you make, because you're sending it to your 1,000 subscribers, and then once you send those offers, then you can just watch and see who opens the email that you're going to be sending to your subscribers. Over here is the vendor 10 times bonus training. So as you can see here, here's where you can get access and check out the bonus 10 times training here. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the bonus training. And don't forget, I'm gonna be also offering you my bonuses as my way of saying thank you for taking the time to watch my review video and for accessing to my bonus page. So don't forget, I'm gonna be also giving you away free bonuses. So if you check out down below in the description of my video, there is a link that you can click on, and I can also offer you bonuses as well on top of the bonuses inside of the vendors area. Here is the bonus software. Here is the Thrive theme install, the Thrive Architect, Thrive Ultimatum, and the Thrive Auto Update. Then here is additional bonuses. Here is the Octagon Instagram Booster. Lots of bonuses offers inside of the members area, as you can see. And here are the available upgrades of Orbs. So once you wanna decide to level up your online business, go ahead and check out the upgrades of Orb over here. So if you want to make more money, then consider checking out the bonuses over here, or the upgrades rather. Here are the upgrades that you can check out. So if you want to make more money, make sure to access to the upgrades, and they're not, they're not really that expensive. Just so you know. So let me see here. Let me click on that again. So don't worry about it. It's not gonna cost you $1,000 or so, but these upgrades are available for you to check out in affordable price. So let's see here. Get Pro now. Just giving you a sample on if you're okay. So it's not available yet, because this product, by the way, has not been launched. And so but feel free to look it up over here into my bonus page. So I put all the pricings here for the upgrades of Orb. So over here is the this is the $27 for the Pro. The Hyper Target is $47. Done for you is $47. The reseller bundle is $97, and Orb exclusive training $197. Then finally, the Orb white label license is $297. So honestly, it's not that expensive, but like I said, consider checking it out if you want to double your earnings for your online business. Now here I'm gonna talk about my bonus page. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Orb, this is going to go live on September 8th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then obviously my bonuses will disappear, and that's something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, these are 100% free of charge and instantly will be delivered to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description of my video. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page down below into this link. Now you can send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now over here is the upgrades that I'm going to show you again. If you want to check it out, it's on this same bonus page, just so you know. Just a friendly reminder that these are all the bonuses available for you to check out. And now when you decide to click on the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Orb, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure that you click the link down below in the description of my videos, and you can check out my amazing bonuses that you're gonna get if you click on my link and purchase from here. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and you can ask me a question about the bonuses, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12.95 during the launch period of Orb. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch. And it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 11th. Now you make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $12.95. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Orb review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Orb at the discounted price. And also don't forget to check out my bonuses that are you can find down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my Orb review. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.